warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today we are here going to reaction video about unboxing. You know, unboxing is the one video popular in YouTube. How about you, Massuree?
Yes, I agree with you. I love seeing video unboxing because I can see the item I want, but I can't buy it.
Before we watch this video, let me introduce ourselves. My name is SALSABIL YUSFA and my partner is
Massuree ENYEBNUD.
We hope you can enjoy this video. Be watching.
All the Fendi bags that I got. The first one is the cutest and it is super mini and tiny. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love mini bags, and it all started with the Jacquemus obsession. Like his tiny micro chiquito bag. I have 3 of them and they're like bigger versions as well, which I think is super cute. So when I saw this Fendi one, of course I had to get it, and I think it's the cutest little mini bag that I have just because of its style. So it is this tiny little purple sequin baguette bag, and I think this is so cute. It's very Sex and the City, Carrie Bradshaw. I love the little sequins on it. It comes in also black.
Yes, you're right.
Can you see it? Yes, there we go. So it comes in also black, and you can wear it as a belt because it has this thing where you can snap it open and you can put like a, there we go, you can put like a belt through it and then you can close it up again.
Can I ask you,
and there is also
like this girl, are you going to buy everything like this girl?
You can wear a crossbody or something. So here's like this thin, super thin gold chain that you can put it across your body and wear it like a mini, like a mini crossbody bag. I saw it on the mannequin at the Fendi store. She had, the mannequin was wearing 2 of them. Like it was like 2 little, like purple one and like a little brown one, which I think it's cute to wear like that as well.
And video for reaction. This reaction is unboxing about fashion designer bag, shoes, and t-shirt. She have much money for buying all of these items. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Terima kasih.